It's giving alien superstar. Hey guys, it is Thursday. I went to work for a couple hours. I had a few clients, stocked up on some supplies. I have an eye doctor's appointment, so we're gonna do that real quick. I'm going to have a girls' date later with my friend Dayana. We're going to go see the Beyonce movie. I haven't seen the movie yet, so we were like, you know what, why not make a date out of it? But after I leave here, I'm gonna go home and get ready. All right, let's get into this makeup. We have like 30-ish minutes to get ready. Right now I'm using the Anastasia brow pencil. I'm like, do I want to do my brows dark today? I feel like I have so much new growth. It's like, it's acceptable to fill them in darker, but not like too dark, just enough to like make them look like something. Yeah, I think that's it. We're wearing our Renaissance t-shirts to this movie because duh, we're going for like the full experience. For foundation, I'm gonna use primer first actually. Using my Milk Hydro Grip. And then I'm more of a thin foundation girl. Like, I don't really like to wear foundation anymore. This is the Serum Foundation from Revolution. It's a hyaluronic acid foundation in the shade 12.5. It matches my skin like so perfectly, it's not even funny. Like, do y'all see that? Like, it just turned into my skin. It doesn't take much, and like that's what I love about it. Like, and I've been obsessed with using a flat foundation brush because one thing about me is go get the job done. I'm all about conveniency. And then for concealer, I'm gonna be using my Juvia's Place in the shade 14. This is a little bit lighter than my complexion, or it's kind of like my skin tone color. If you know, black people don't have one shade on their face. It's like 5 different shades. I like to make sure I accentuate every single one. See, I'm gonna let that sit for a little minute, and then I'm gonna go in with my contour stick from Thread. Well, this isn't really a contour stick, it's a complexion stick, but I use this shade to contour. It's 140. Because I don't really contour. I don't even think you would consider that contouring. I think it's like more like bronzing, because once I blend it out, it's hardly super like bright. I am hungry. My stomach is like growling at me right now. I'm doing good on time. Like, it is 4:33 and I almost have my full face done. That's an accomplishment. I think I've only been sitting here for 6 minutes. Nope, 7 minutes. That's what my camera says. And as you can see, I left my eyelids bare. Was only gonna use a little bit of eyeshadow primer on them. This one's from Milani. I just use a little bit of this on my finger. Just gonna blend this out. It's been one of those years. I'm gonna do better next year about being more creative with my makeup. I just haven't had the time like I need to, and now I'm gonna start making the time. That's just how that works. I want to do like some sparkly eyeshadow, which is why I did primer instead of concealer, because I feel like it never turns out the same. But this is the Moon Dust in the shade Lithium. Look at that, like, woo, y'all see how sparkly that is? Eyeshadow just literally makes me so excited. So I'm actually nervous though, because this is like super chunky glitter. So let me finish my under eyes first, because I'm definitely afraid of this stuff sticking to my eyes. Powder, I'm using the Beauty Bakery setting powder in cassava flour. I actually like this powder because it has a twist top. Like, I don't be trying to waste my powder. Pro tip, if you want like super seamless concealer, make sure you blend right before you set to make sure you get all the creases out. And you can also use this little puff to blend your concealer before you put the powder on it, like when it's just nothing on it. This powder and the Laura Mercier powder, these two have my heart, like forever. I'm just like taking a little bit and working in sections. I'm real nervous about this darn eyeshadow because this will be like, I don't think I've used the Moon Dust eyeshadow since they like first came out, which is a long time. Back to this eyeshadow. Okay, I need to see what I'm getting myself into. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the finger. I don't think it's that bad. I just need to see what it picks up like with a brush too. Like, I'm a comparison girl. Like, I gotta see. Oh no, this brush don't do it justice. We're just gonna put this on the lid and just go for it. I'm like, if you use your finger, I think it goes in place more. Oh yes. Oh, this looks so good. The fact that it's like on bare skin, no like concealer, and it's reflecting like this, just chef kiss. Urban Decay definitely knows their way around an eyeshadow. I want to do the infamous reverse cat eye. That's like my go-to. I'm taking a very small brush and blending the outer edge out. A little too far, but it's okay. It's giving Alien Superstar. I need to use a different one because this one's getting so low. But I really do like when this was my About Face eyeliner in the shade Into the Void. Okay. This is Urban Decay's 24/7 inks in the shade 0. She's super precise. And I just like to go in my inner corner. Very lightly. I'm not a dramatic inner corner girl. Like, I want it to appear as if it's super soft. Okay. These are from Velour. It's their plant-based slash a new leaf is what the style is, but you'll see what it looks like. Gives me like a nice soft pink hue. It's like slightly peachy. I'm gonna be trying Buxom's new lip set, Dangerous Dolly and Dolly Base. It's the lip serum. The Dangerous Dolly is the lip liner. This is what they look like. Ooh, this is gonna be a cute combo. Okay, now it's time to get dressed. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. Yeah, I'm digging these a lot more. Y'all, look at this traffic to get into the mall. I would just like to eat that is all. Finally made it after literally 40 minutes to freaking park. It was maybe like 10, maybe 15, but it was definitely a long time. It's 40 degrees, but it's not really all that cold. I'm like with my scarf and my earmuffs on. I'm definitely a lot warmer. We're going to Cheesecake Factory to eat, and then the movie's at 8. I feel like I've been walking forever in this mall. Oh. So ready. Say cheese. I got my girl Dave. We going to, where we going to go see?
The Renaissance Film.
Yes, period. Look, show me your shirt. What are we expecting from Miss Beyonce?
So, okay, we're expecting all the glitz.
Oh yes.
All the glam.
Definitely.
And a little bit of Blue Ivy, okay?
Oh, I need to, ain't no little. We need to see more of her. We didn't see anything. I'm so upset by that.
Okay. That was such a slap in the face.
She said, Nashville, no. She said no, Nashville. Excited because the fact that she like directed this movie, I feel like that's the most iconic thing you can do.
She did it for the homecoming one too.
Yeah.
Beachella.
Like that just blows my mind. Like, oh, that's a talented woman.
Okay, Beyonce stand up.
Period. We got our movie tickets.
Alright, theater 1 will be right down there. Enjoy your movie.
Thank you. Oh, there we go, there we go. We now, we're now complete. We're be complete. Now we did the same thing, I'm screaming. So, we gotta give the movie our rating before my camera dies. How do you feel?
10 out of 10.
It was definitely an experience.
No wrong.
Absolutely not. That woman is iconic.
We love you, B.
Love you.
Period. Bye.
Bye.